I've spent decades looking at skin up close, examining it, treating it, listening to people share how it makes them feel. And one thing I always remind my patients is this: your skin is not just a covering. It's the largest organ of your body, and it plays a vital role in your health. In fact, it's often called the body's third kidney because it helps eliminate waste. Millions of tiny pores work like little doorways, constantly helping your body breathe and release what it doesn't need. Over 100 years ago, a physician named Dr. Kellogg, famous for writing many books on health, described those pores as millions of little sewers. Now, it doesn't sound glamorous, does it? But he was making a powerful point. The skin is an active organ of elimination, and if we want it to stay healthy and vibrant, we have to take care of it so it can do its job. That means letting it breathe, nourishing it, and protecting it. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, run your hand along your arm or your neck, and felt that wave of sadness? The skin feels thinner than it used to, almost fragile, like tissue paper you're afraid might tear. Many of my patients in their 60s or 70s have shared that exact moment with me, and maybe you've felt it too. Here's the truth you don't often hear. You don't need a $300 jar of miracle cream with a fancy label to change the way your skin feels. You don't need to chase the latest celebrity-endorsed product. What you need is something simple, something rooted in science and nature that actually supports your skin from the inside out. And the best part, you probably already have the ingredients sitting right in your own kitchen. So stay with me, because today, we're going to set aside the empty promises and the overpriced jars, and instead, we'll step into a gentle, natural approach that goes straight to the root of crepey skin. And it only takes 3 minutes to begin. Step 1. Repair and protect your skin barrier. When it comes to skin after the age of 50, the very first thing I emphasize is the skin barrier. Think of it as your body's natural fortress. It locks in moisture, keeps bacteria and toxins out, and maintains your skin's elasticity. When this barrier weakens, the skin becomes dry, fragile, irritated, and wrinkles deepen. And trust me, I've seen this happen over and over again with thousands of patients in my 30-plus years as a dermatologist. I remember one of my patients, Mary, 68 years old. She came to me and said, "Doctor, no cream seems to work on my skin anymore. It's just so dry." After examining her, I realized the problem wasn't the cream. The real issue was that her skin barrier had been badly damaged. So instead of chasing expensive products, we focused on restoring her barrier. Within weeks, her skin started to soften, the tightness eased, and Mary smiled, saying, "It feels like my skin came back to life." So, what's the secret? It's surprisingly simple. A natural cream you can make right in your kitchen. It only needs 3 ingredients: organic coconut oil, fresh aloe vera gel, and a few drops of vitamin E. Coconut oil hydrates and calms inflammation. Aloe vera soothes and repairs damaged skin. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects against free radicals. And here's the best part: it takes just 3 minutes every morning and night. 1. Take 1 teaspoon of organic coconut oil. 2. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. 3. Add 2 drops of vitamin E. 4. Stir well and apply a thin layer to your face and neck. Think of this as a small daily ritual. The Japanese have practiced this philosophy for centuries. Their glowing, youthful skin doesn't come only from genetics, it comes from respect for the skin barrier. They focus on gentle hydration, natural ingredients, and consistency. Skincare isn't a luxury for them, it's a way of life. And here in America, we can learn from that same wisdom. Be consistent, keep it simple, and treat your skin as a lifelong companion. If you stay consistent, within a few weeks, you'll notice your skin feeling less dry, less tight, and gradually softer. This is the foundation. Once your barrier is healthy, every other step, whether it's antioxidants or collagen support, will work more effectively. Step 2. Antioxidant shield for your skin. When it comes to skin aging, one of the silent enemies is free radicals, unstable molecules created by sunlight. pollution, stress, and even diet. They attack collagen, breaking down the structure that keeps skin firm and smooth, leaving it wrinkled and dull. That's why, after restoring your skin barrier, the next step is to build an antioxidant shield to protect your skin from this daily damage. I'll never forget my patient Robert, age 72. He loved gardening and spent hours under the sun every day. By the time he came to me, the skin on his face and neck showed clear sun damage, crepey, dry, and lifeless. We tried different approaches, but the simplest and most effective solution was adding antioxidants to his skincare routine. Within weeks, Robert said, "My skin looks brighter, and it feels stronger." The good news is, you can do the same thing at home with just a few simple ingredients. And I'll give you 2 different recipes, so you can choose based on your skin type. Recipe 1, gentle formula for oily or sensitive skin. 1 teaspoon cooled, concentrated green tea. 1 teaspoon raw honey. This mixture is light and soothing, perfect for sensitive or breakout-prone skin. Recipe 2, richer formula for dry, thin, crepey skin. 1/4 teaspoon natural balm or beeswax cream. 1/2 teaspoon cold brewed green tea. 1/4 teaspoon raw honey. This mask is richer, locks in moisture, and is great for dry or fragile skin. Just remember to rinse it off thoroughly to avoid clogged pores. Both recipes take just 3 minutes to prepare. Apply the mask for 15-20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. And over time, you'll notice brighter, healthier skin that feels alive again. The Japanese have long understood the power of antioxidants, but instead of relying only on skincare products, they integrate it into their lifestyle, drinking green tea daily, eating vegetables, and enjoying omega-3 rich fish. This combination, nourishing from the inside and protecting from the outside, is what keeps their skin youthful even in later years. Here in America, we often focus only on what we apply to the surface, but if we borrow this wisdom, blending both inside and outside care, that's where true, lasting transformation begins. Step 3. Wake up your collagen naturally. If your skin barrier is the wall and antioxidants are the armor, then collagen is the frame that holds everything up. After 50, collagen levels naturally decline about 1% every year. That's why skin begins to sag, wrinkle, and lose its bounce. The good news is we can still wake up collagen production. It may not be as fast as in youth, but it's enough to make skin feel stronger and look firmer. I remember one of my patients, Linda, age 65. She came in saying, "Doctor, my skin doesn't feel like my own anymore. It's thin, wrinkled, like tissue paper." Instead of turning to lasers or expensive injections, we started with something gentle, a natural oil massage. After just 6 weeks, Linda told me, "My skin feels more alive. I don't look as tired when I see myself in the mirror." You can do this at home too. It only takes about 3 minutes, once or twice a week. Here's the formula: 1 teaspoon castor oil stimulates circulation and softens the skin. 1 teaspoon coconut oil deeply hydrates and supports elasticity. 1 teaspoon flaxseed gel, rich in omega-3 and natural mucilage, helps cell renewal. Mix the ingredients. Warm the blend by rubbing it gently between your palms, then massage your face and neck in circular motions, lifting upward and outward. Just 3 minutes of massage not only helps the skin absorb nutrients, but also boosts blood flow, which in turn stimulates fibroblasts, the very cells responsible for making collagen. In Japan, facial massage is a cherished tradition. It's not seen only as beauty care, but as a ritual of connection with the body, a way to calm the mind and nurture the skin. That's one reason Japanese women often maintain smooth, radiant skin well into later years. Here in America, we often skip this step, believing that real results only come from machines or expensive treatments. But the truth is, even 3 minutes of natural massage a week can set your skin on a path to recovery. Collagen won't rebuild overnight, but with patience and consistency, you'll notice your skin gradually becoming firmer, less wrinkled, and above all, healthier and more vibrant. You've seen it now repairing your barrier, adding antioxidants, and stimulating collagen are all essential. But here's the truth: if you only care for your skin on the outside and ignore what you put inside your body, you'll never see the full results. I once worked with two patients, both the same age, both with similar office jobs, but their lifestyles were very different. Thomas, 66, drank wine almost every night and often stayed up late. His skin was dull, sagging, with deep lines around his eyes and mouth. Helen, 67, on the other hand, hardly drank, ate plenty of vegetables, fatty fish, nuts, and always kept herself hydrated. When you put them side by side, Helen's skin looked firm, radiant, and easily a decade younger than Thomas's. Two people, same generation, but their skin told two very different stories. So, beyond your 3 natural skincare steps, remember, drink enough water, about 1.52 liters a day, so your skin isn't thirsty from the inside. Eat vegetables, fruits, fatty fish, and nuts. These provide natural collagen and antioxidants. Avoid refined sugar, it binds to collagen and accelerates aging. Avoid smoking and alcohol, they destroy collagen and rob the skin of its glow. The Japanese, as I mentioned earlier, not only protect their skin externally, but also live with balance, a traditional diet rich in fish and vegetables, green tea daily, and limited alcohol. That's one reason they rarely show early aging compared to many of us. Your skin doesn't just reflect your age, it reflects your lifestyle. Every time you choose healthy food, water over soda, or skip that extra glass of alcohol, you're giving your skin the chance to stay youthful and strong. And when you pair that with the 3 external steps, the results aren't just temporary, they're lasting. After years of working with many patients, I've discovered a simple truth: skincare doesn't have to be complicated, but it does need consistency and the right approach. Just 3 minutes a day can begin a whole new journey for your skin. Remember the 3 essentials: repair your skin barrier to lock in moisture and protection, build an antioxidant shield to guard against daily damage, wake up collagen to keep your skin firm and vibrant, and don't forget, your skin reflects your lifestyle. Every glass of water, every healthy meal, every time you say no to smoking and alcohol, you're giving your skin a gift. You don't need expensive jars with flashy promises. What your skin truly needs is gentle, steady, and sincere care from you. Start today. Just 3 minutes. It may sound small, but it can bring powerful change not only to your skin, but to your confidence. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who may need it too. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so we can continue this journey together toward natural health and timeless beauty.